Well, here we go. We'll see how it goes this morning. It's pretty kind of overcast and everything. I'm fishing at a place that I didn't really, I don't know anything about. Didn't do any pre-fishing yesterday. So we'll see how she goes. Big old catfish. Ouch. Ooh, you just had a hit. You just had a hit. Whew, boy, I don't know. Not looking good. Ooh, I don't know if that was a log or something. I think there's some logs over there that it probably got caught on. There's some logs underneath the water here. I think that's what it was. It wasn't no bite, it was a hitting on a log. Oh boy. Getting tired. Oh, what the heck here? I just can't figure out what the heck they're going after today. I'm just not getting any bites. Come on. What the heck, Ron? Yeah, man. Ugh. I'm sure surprised that it was all overcast like this today. It probably was a freaking log. Keep thinking of catching a fish, but I don't know, Ron. Not looking good. Not looking good. Almost feels like it's going to start raining or something. That's what we need. Not. Oh, where'd that guy go? Where he went? Almost going to be oh, what the hell? Hello? Yes, I got a call from about my room, and is this the front? Hello? 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 Yes, is this the front desk? Yes. When I made my reservations, it was for 2 days.
What's that?
When I made my reservations, it was for 2 days.
You check out today. You checked in yesterday and you check out today.
It was supposed to be for 2 days.
I only had you for the one.
Oh, huh. Well, on my reservations, it was for 2. So can you just go ahead and sign it up for the second day? Because I'm out on the lake right now.
I can't extend because I'm all sold out of the double queen. I have no double queen.
Yeah, boy. Well, I don't know what to tell you because I'm out on the lake right now. And when I made the reservations I did them online, and it was for 2 days.
It's just the one that you made for.
Yeah, boy. Do you have any single rooms, or
What's that?
do you have any other rooms that I could go to, or?
Is it just yourself?
Yes.
So what I'll do is I'll make a reservation for my single queen if that will work for you.
Okay.
And you pre-check in with that.
Okay.
And we're with you, we're going to go ahead and do your thing.
Just move it over to that other room.
If that's all right with you.
Yeah, that's fine. I'm out on the middle of the lake right now, so.
All right. I've made a different reservation.
Okay. When I get back,
To that room.
then I won't be back there until this afternoon sometime.
That'll be fine. If you don't mind, go ahead and using your things sent to that.
Oh, yeah, okay, that's fine if they don't mind carrying all that junk.
That'll be fine.
Okay, all right, okay.
You and go ahead and check yourself.
Okay, all righty, thanks. Okay.
Bye-bye.
What? What? Yeah, boy. I got the worst luck. I don't mind carrying all that junk. It was for 2 nights. Caught another walleye. Okay. Zoom! Well, that's a wrap on the Red Willow tourney, and if I had to do it again different, I would. I'd throw some different baits than what I did, and especially the things that I was throwing wasn't working at all, so I should have switched sooner, but that's the way it goes. So that's a wrap on Red Willow.